Today we're going to start making some charcuterie boards. We've got two nice pieces of walnut right here. I'm going to use my router sled to flatten it down until we get to the next step. This side I've already started filling with epoxy, filling the cracks. I'd already filled part of this with epoxy, and here's little cracks. The cracks didn't fill all the way, so I'm going to plane this down some more, then I'm going to refill it. Put the lock on. That's perfect. We go. Give it a pass. One pass might have been enough, so I'm just going to put on just a tiny bit more of a pass, and we're going to call it a day on this piece. That goes perfect. The piece.
Very nice. Very pretty boards.
Now we're going to start to epoxy these cracks in the boards. I just started taping them a little bit, just so the cracks don't seep through. This one's almost done, I think, pretty much. I got this one to do. I'll do this side first. I'd already started on the other side. There's not too much to do, so that's not a big deal. And that third board here that I'd already done some epoxy on, and it's already dried. So, not a whole lot left on this one. You can see some old epoxy that I put in there. It's all filled nicely. There's a few more spots though. So, continue with that. Maybe I'll do this side. This side's not even going to need to be taped. There's not very many cracks in it anyways. A little bit of cracking that needs to be filled right here. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I just want to keep the other one on. Getting a big mess everywhere. Put a bit of tape on this side. Just in case it seeps through. Add some color to it. There's just some India ink. Does the job pretty good. A couple drops. With epoxy, you have to stir it and stir it and stir it and stir it. I'm going to just run the heat gun over this for a few minutes. They're going to mix some epoxy up with some walnut shavings, thicken it up a bit. I'm going to add a drop of India ink. Oh, maybe a couple drops. I'm going to add some of this. I left the epoxy in the shed last night, so it's a bit cold. It's kind of slow moving. Get the rest of the shavings in the bag here. So, epoxy is really thick, it's just cold. I'm pretty close to done for the day. I'm gonna have to let this dry. I did do this coat yesterday, but I think that it was just a bit too runny, so this coat is going to be a bit thicker. That's that. I think we're going to call that a day.